Hello and welcome to SEEEMS.CMS. In this video, which is the third one in the series about using the editing tools, I want to show you how you use Add To, Insert Before and Insert After. Okay, so the first one, Add To, it will add an object typically to a content area, to a page, perhaps to a layout object like stacked grid, rows or columns. It's not to do with actually adding content to an object. So first of all, if I just show you how this works using this menu here, because a menu is the sort of place that you can add content to, an object to. Alright, so I'm going to go to the top of this particular menu here and hover, and you can see this is showing me the main page, this section which is called Basic Handling. Now if I wanted to add a sub page to this, I would go to the Add To icon. There are various different objects that could be added to a menu, but I find Page under Navigation. So if I come across here and click on Page, and then to start with, all I'm going to do to show you how this works is call this sample page. There we are, and put the same in there. As you can see, the many different tabs, but I'm not going to concern myself with those right now. Just click on Save. And here, now you can see, here is my new blank page inserted right at the bottom of the Basic Handling section. At this stage, if I wanted to move it somewhere else, I could do it by dragging and dropping, for example. That's one of the methods we could use. You can drag and drop any type of content around a SEEEMS.CMS page. Okay, so that is Add To. It adds an object to a page, a content area, layout. Okay, the next two work in exactly the same way. It's just the position that changes. So this is where you select an object and you decide that you want to put another object either in front of it or after it. And depending on where you want it to be placed, you choose either Insert Before or Insert After. So here I'm going to this video that I created, which is editing a paragraph front end, and what I want to do is put a heading onto this. So I'm first of all just going to copy the content that I want to appear as my heading. I'm going to hover here above my YouTube player and I'm going to say Insert Before, and I'm going to click on Heading. Now once I come into the heading object, the text that I want to show is video showing how to edit a paragraph object, and on my favourites content here I've got the size and the text, and I want this to be a large heading. That's all I need to put in here to make this appear on the page. So I'm going to click on Save. Okay, and then now you can see the brand new heading object appearing as I instructed it before my YouTube. And if I followed the same process but clicked on Insert After, it would have appeared underneath. Okay, so that's very straightforward. The next video is going to show you about locking and unlocking, publishing of an object, and also how to delete.